Alright, folks, welcome back to Disciple of Morango. Uh, yeah, so what were we working on yesterday? The other day. It was, trying to get weapons or things to load into a chest. I guess we got weapons kind of working. Had to just quickly did the constructor, and then I realized I wasn't recording, so, um, yeah, just had to pass in the base item and then the types or whatever in there. It's really not that big of a deal. Um, Starting off with a juicy little seg fault, or not a seg fault, an error, and we recompile, and I think that's all that she needs. No. Hmm. Um. I guess it'd be like for item. Yeah. 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 There we go. A little bit of name mangling to start it off. Expected new line with a semicolon. Well, how about we just ignore that? Who cares? Look at that build success. So let's see if it worked. I don't even remember what was going on last time. So we load in the weapons. I really got to turn off this typing here. Maybe I'll do that right now. Ah. Oh shit, did it crash? Did it It's just done. Okay. I just need a little bit of music here. Let's do a little bit of Tool, I think sounds good. It's gonna be kind of loud. Yeah, so I guess number one is we gotta turn off this why is this? There we go. So yeah, I want to let's come over to Le Manager. Oh, I feel like there may be. Okay, hold on. I want to just set. Maybe. Maybe. This is dirty, and I shouldn't do this, but we're just gonna quickly go. We're just gonna do like a flags.h here, which is super temporary. Um, Maybe this should even be. This is fine. Um, it's just gonna be 0. This is so dirty. I really don't want to do this. I'll do this better later. Let's just get out of here. We're just gonna disable the sleeping entirely for now because I don't think this is really gonna matter much. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. Um, yeah, we'll just get over that for now. I feel like, and then we'll just do a. Yeah, we'll just do it dirty right now. It's fine, even though it's kind of not okay. Um, yeah, so let's get something going here. Where are we? I think we're coming in from debug. We're loading weapons and we're just returning with a nice bite me. That sounds good. Okay, so let's create. So what is a chest? What did I end up doing for this? I don't remember. It's 2 weeks ago or whatever. Chest inherits from a character. Okay. So a chest. Okay, this AI's gotta chill the fuck out here. Ooh, what does this say? B is chest true. Well, I don't even think that exists. Is hostile? None of these things are even in the base character, no? God, I'm still really thinking this should maybe be a struct. It's so much. It doesn't matter. Okay, anyways, we're just going to ignore this for now. Let's look at our base character. Our character has like no constructors. Hey, that's interesting. I thought it would have. That's interesting. So when I make a character, I'm just a. Okay, well, this is definitely. Yeah, this is not good. I've been doing it dirty this whole time, I see. Guess I haven't really been paying attention then. All right, well, let's just do a quick one here with like a string that's like name. Um, ooh. Yeah, fuck, I guess I didn't really think this through. Because the base characters should be created into like a player character, I suppose. This is really getting aggressive with the autofill. I might turn this off. It's starting to get kind of annoying. Oh, geez, I can't type. Yeah, this is getting really fucking annoying how much this is happening. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, there's a good chance I turn off the AI thing. It's just getting to be a bit much. You know, it's like every fucking thing you do is just AI this, AI that. Like, god damn. It is nice when you're like at work though, I will say, because then you can just tell it to like, it's nice at work. Because you can just be like, hey, read these files and give me 95% code coverage, and it just does it. It's good for that, but when you just want to hang out, like, goddamn, it's so aggressive. All right, so we're making a chest. This is actually... You know, something that'd be really nice is if Visual Studio had groups. I don't even think I need this. So we can just call the parents. Because the base character should delete the inventory for us. Yeah. Okay. So we need like loot tables or something. Hmm. Yeah. No, we'll just leave this as an auto loop for now. And then I guess we just need to... God, yeah, we really need loot tables. So, well, the other thing is we just need to know if you can transfer inventories, like if that even properly works, because I'm not even 100% sure. So, this should be in the constructor. We'll just load in all the weapons and... Hmm. I guess I kind of don't like this inheriting from a base character. Like, characters have so much to them, and I feel like... You know, chests can have... they can have a bunch of this stuff, though. You know, they don't need mana or anything. But they could, right? You could have some, like, super magical fucking chests. Okay, look, this is going to be easy enough to factor out later anyway. Because, yeah, you could definitely have some pretty gnarly chests, I think, at some point. And if not, this should be easy enough to factor out. So we're just going to set the level to 1. Level 0. Ooh, but should it be like a rarity thing? It should be. Okay, we're triple tabbing it again here. Again, yeah, I'm really not convinced about my design choice on this, but just gonna have to eat shit and just deal with it. We're going private. So, bro, this autofill. Stop. Um, Loot rarity? Yeah, I guess it's actually okay. We're just gonna say E rarity. We're just gonna go like... We're just gonna do a trash chest for right now. Why is this? This be an L value. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. That's it. This is going. This is leaving right now. Like, I still want IntelliSense, right? I just don't want this like 25 lines of garbage, right? I don't want this. I want to just disable Copilot. Hmm. Copilot. Automatically select the different styles. This is okay, I think. Okay, but I'm not going to lose, like, yeah. Okay. God, this is so annoying. The AI is just shoved up your ass. Everywhere you go, it's just AI, AI, AI. Bro, stop. Um, oh, God. Okay. So, yeah, this is going to need, like, loot tables. And in here, let's give it some money. Let's just say, like, 1 gold, 1 copper, 1 silver. That seems pretty reasonable. No, it doesn't like it? Do I not have a money? Where's my money, sir? Why must I do this? Oh, brother. Too much of my life I spend in Python. It's very sad. These silly typos because I'm used to my shitty little work computer. Um, There's really no reason for that to be a reference. It's fine. It's a struct, like a tiny little struct. Let's bring this back up. So we have a bit of money. We have this other thing. Let's look at our data tables here. What else do we even have? Do we have potions yet? Let's go here. Oh, yeah, right. Adding a new logo. Speaking of AI, Grok obviously made exist in the bottom corner. So we're going to use that for now. Base item consumable. You know, this is something that really... Oh, right. Am I really using... Yeah, there's no fucking way I'm using this. Yeah, there's no way I can live the rest of my life with that. CSVs and text editors are pretty garbage. Oh, this is something I always thought was weird. Like, why can I not load two CSVs inside of one project here? And like, if I save this, like, what does it even save this to? Right? Because... You know, this is really neither here nor there. So here we have a couple of weapons. Oh, God. Oh, man. Okay, hold on. Just let me change my default here, because this is... Okay. So, consumables... What do these even have? You know, what even are consumables here? Let's just get rid of this. So potions have items. I guess I could have just passed it through the constructor. So let's just do let's just do this real quick. We'll do name, value. Maybe I'll zoom this in here. I bet it's pretty small. So we'll do name, value, weight, durability. Use roll, crit roll, always damage. Which is a little odd that it's in that location. Rarity, duration, and the effect type. Okay, so... I don't even know what this should be. So let's just say lesser healing. We'll make these a bit bigger. We'll do like 3 copper. I don't know. We'll do like 1 silver. They're expensive. Weight, a kilogram. Just fucking a lot. Durability, 1. So it'll be like a 1 die 8 for no reason. Crit roll. Because remember, crits are a separate roll, right? So always damage. True. Hold on. Rarity, common, duration, I guess, is 0, and effect type is current health, I suppose. Okay. We have our first item. So, this is good. Yeah, we have an item. This is good. It's good. It's good. So now we need to go back over here. Boop. And why do you always take you to the header? I guess because I need to be there. What are they even called? Is it consumables? Oh shit, this is just potions. But is it really? Where's the potions? Oh, I feel like it could be... You know, like... Are spells and potions not the same thing? Because a potion is kind of just a single-use spell. Oh, I do this. Oh, these are just the defaults. Yeah, okay, I'm just dumb. That's fine. This is fine. Okay, this is okay, but all we're going to do is rename this from consumables. No, fuck that. We're not going to do that. What we're going to do is grab Bro. We're going to move. Oh, for fuck. How the fuck? Can you not just grab in Excel? You have to right click? Middle click? No? Okay. Well, I'm used to Google Sheets, I guess. I'm just dumb. What is... Did it save everything in... What? Oh my god, there's no way. There's no way it saved everything. Don't save whatever happened. Oh my god, it put everything in one fucking... Oh my god, okay. I don't understand. I am flabbergasted what happened. How did I fuck this up so bad? Okay. Okay. One silver, one. Use roll, we did one die 8, which I feel is generous. Then we did one die 12. Always uses true. Rarity was common. Duration is 0. Is current health. Okay. So... I don't know how the fuck that happens. That's so bewildering to me. We're going to insert one. Can you actually not just like... I know I just said that there's no way that I do this, but... Oh. Oh. I will say, I am always so surprised at how terrible Excel is. Like, it's so powerful. It does so many crazy things, but just the user experience of actually using that software is so ass. Oh, to think how much of the world's economy runs on that fucking thing. It hurts. It hurts. Okay. Anyways, where are we? What are potions? Are potions potions? Potions are potions. There is a better way to do this, but we're just going to kind of copy what we have before. Too many? Not enough. File location. To be the line. And again, we want to skip the header. This should probably be broken into a better system. And then, yeah, while... And then we just make our shit. Yeah? Yeah. Why is this angry? Oh, I guess it does, doesn't it? Hmm. You can't do that, can you? We'll have to revisit this. Gold equals in. Yeah, because we kind of want to just say at the very beginning, right? We want to get line, which is going to be type. Do we have types of consumables? No, we do not. This is okay. We can do this for now. Um, we'll just say the consumable type. Then we'll say if um does not equal potions. We'll just continue. We'll do it like this because I like to do it like this. So yeah, if it's not a potion, we'll just get out of here. Then what order do we do this in? Name, money, value. What is weight? Weight and durability is the same. Weight, durability. Crit roll. Always damage. E rarity. Duration. Okay, let's do it. And yeah, it's just get line. Get line, string stream, name, comma. Oh, does this want... Oh, it wants a string, doesn't it? It does. It does. It wants a string. That's fine. No? That's fine. Mm. This is an item. And then I cast that item. Oh, right. I guess in this case, you don't really need to do it, but for the sake of like consistency, I'll do that. So then it's TD. This is where the AI is actually nice. You know, I'll give the clanker that. It is nice for this like hyper repetitive kind of intern work. Is that going to work? I think that's going to fail. Because if I give this... it will fail. I'm going to have to properly tokenize this. I keep doing... So yeah, this is going to fail. So what we're going to do is come back. We're going to say 0G, 0C. There we go. We'll just fix that. We'll do that real quick here. Then how do we do it up here? It just static casts it. Okay, that's fine. What is it? I never use this. STD. And get line, string stream, item. Is probably a way better way to do this, but I don't care. For now, it just has to work. You know, make it everything better later. Just need to get the game working in any capacity at this point. You know, it's been quite a while and it still doesn't actually do anything. You know, it's getting close though, right? It's one of those, you need all the pieces, maybe. Oh no. Here's a dice from the item. And always damage. String stream. Good thing I caught that. Uh Always Dunga. Always damage. And the rarity. Rarity equals. How do I convert this? Oh, don't I have a thing? Types from string. Oh, hell yeah, brother. Rarity. Fuck yeah. God damn it. Would you look at that? Item shaboop. And the effect type equals types from string. Oh, god damn. Damage type, spell type. Oh, fuck. I don't actually have one for this, do I? I need an effect type from string. Types to string. Types from string. Tits. Effect type. Oh, oops. Type. F string. Type. So then I guess we just switch on type lower of 0. Can we do that in this case? Yeah, I know it's not lower. I know it's too lower because I need to what are the effect types? Well, we're not doing the 0th one, I'll tell you that much. Hmm. Hmm. Ain't that a fucking bitch? Can you evaluate things? And I thought you could only do like integers in here. Can you switch on strings? Do I have to like convert this to a map? Oh god, I always forget stuff like this. Oh, do you just make this a fucking map? Is that easier? Oh god, it's going to be, isn't it? And then I just return Like, how often is this even gonna get fucking called? No, right. This is what yeah, you have to hash. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. 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 Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hmm. Oh no, what is it? I always forget the syntax for it. Do you put them in squiggly braces or square brackets? It's squigglies. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. And then is it not colons? Is that Python? Oh, it's commas. Bro. That is so not what I wanted. Um Hold on. Let's just cool beans. So that's much better. Multi-line editing for the win. Cool. Why doesn't it like this? It doesn't like that it's an F string, but it's the type of an F string. Do I need to make these explicitly F strings? Why does it not like it? That is how you access maps, no? Am I fucking crazy? There's no way, right? Like, insert or access element. Is it like, there's no way it's like dot value. That's the entire point, right? Thing at this, just inserted that. Thing at this. You can tell I do not use these very much. Okay, let's just compile it and see if it still bitches. I think it's going to. Maybe it's just being dumb because it's a header. Oh, it's super didn't fucking like that. Oh, yeah, because this is... Oh, okay, yeah, no, it was just... oh, no. No, it's a me problem. Yeah. Redeclaration, whatever. Shut up. Oh, map is not a member of STD. Well, I beg to differ, but... Yeah. Shut the fuck up. Um... Still you no lack? You still no lack? What? No global operator found which takes type F string. So do I have to make these just regular strings? And then I just give it like the dereference type? But this should be a... But that should return a string. Like a normal string. No? I thought I did that the other day. Yeah. Yeah. The dereference operator should just return data. So it is a string. What the fuck is the matter with this thing, man? with the specified key. You can totally use strings as keys, right, chat? God, it is, has it, there's no way it's been this long. You can use any data type. Can you not? Yeah, but it's not an F string anymore. It's just a string. Rebuild. Oh my God. Okay. No binary operator matches string. Can effectively use, well, the clanker tells me I can. Everything here says I can. So this, I guess, could be... It should... Like, what the fuck is going on? I'm so confused. Because this should be able to take in... Okay, what does it want? No binary operator. Tell me, Clanker, what is the matter? Clank away. Give me your clankety goodness. Provide a subscript operator for non-constant objects. Uses the operator. The compiler is qualified overload. Oh, okay. Well, that's unfortunate. Okay, but it's literally not, right? Like, what the fuck? F string. Yeah, I know, but it's... Why does this not work? Oh my God, it's because I'm fucking retarded. Okay, but this still doesn't work. Okay. Is it going to give me the same bitchy response? No operator matches these operands. Really? Oh, excuse me. I got a belly full of poutine. This is not even what it's asking. Oh, god damn. It's not even what it's asking. Because this is a map. What does it mean argument 1 does not match the parameter? Like, so let's just try this really quick. No, it still says that this doesn't exist. What does it want? Const effect type. But it's key value. Like, what the fuck? I do not understand why this is. Is it at that I'm looking for? No, because like include map, include string. Oh, stop. No, hey? Oh, does it want like... Yeah, I'm not fucking stupid. I'm dumb. Is it because this is not like constant or something? Pointer to object does not match argument one parameter. But like it does. I don't know. This is like driving my head in. Let me ask the clanker. Because there is something about this I am not understanding. I don't know why it says this. Let's just check here. Let's grab our string class. Just show you what I'm doing here. Just paste it in the whole string class. I don't know. What's the error? Let's see what the clanker has to say. Click, clank. Clank, click. Come on, clanker. Clank away. Clank away. I don't know, man. The whole like Grok AI mixed with the Neuralink and the Starlink satellites on top of all the robots Elon Musk is making, it's getting very Lex Luthery. You know, I don't know. It's starting to get to that point where it might be time to consider like a cabin in the middle of the fucking Brazilian rainforest. Starting to get a little sus out there. You know, I'm not super convinced. I don't know if we're going to make it. Or it's at least going to like, I don't know, in a very weird period. On the plus side, maybe the clankers can solve the immigration issue. You know, we don't need all these low skilled immigration workers if we can get the clankers to do it. Oh man, it's really clanking. Look at this thing. Click clack. Bing bong boop. It uses at, but will throw an out of range error if the key is not found. Okay, well, I gotta be real with you. I don't give a fuck about throwing errors. So key is missing without the checks. Is it just that it wants this to be a reference? A const. Because, yeah, this is throwing the same error as before. The clanker doesn't clank and lied to me. Something has been changed. Rebuild. I'm pretty sure this is going to give me the exact same error. I am so confused. Is it just because I'm trying to use a custom data type? But I have the less than operator, yeah? So constant and enum doesn't return, doesn't add value. This is saying make this static const and this const. And then why does this not work? This is the enum. This is an F string. And like what this is saying to do is go like auto iterator equals converted types dot find type. And then, it's just doing the like it does not equal converted types dot end, return it second. I still am so flabbergasted why I can't use the access operator for that. So I guess if this doesn't work, then it says throw, but I'm not really going to throw. I'm just going to return. And we'll just return 255. And I guess we'll just like... We'll just return 255. I guess, like, I don't know. It's very frustrating that it did that. I don't really understand. Okay, well, that's stupid as fuck. So that's all of our shit. So then now let's say like output. Is it just called output? It must be. Output, and then we just push back. Let's go back to our le potion. Should it be called potion or potions? Potion seems a little odd, but we're just gonna roll with it. Value, weight, yeah. Durability. Use roll, crit roll, always damage. I feel like could go in a new line. Rarity and effect type. Doesn't like it. Bite, bite, dice, dice, bool. Mm. You know, that is a fair point. So let's get rid of this. Oh, but we don't have... Where's duration? Bite duration. It comes after rarity. Good thing I caught that. String stream, item, shaboop. Maybe I should just have like a delimiter thing. Duration equals a static cast to le bat. So is that it? Rarity, duration, effect type. So let's just double check. Consumable type is not a potion. Potion. Skip. So we have lesser healing. So name. We have value. We have weight. Durability. Use roll. Crit roll. Always damage. Rarity. Duration. And effect type. Okay, so right now, and the current duration. Now this should stop complaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, what do I still have? I have name, value, weight, durability. You're always damage, rarity, duration, effect type. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What the fuck? Name, value, weight, durability, use, crit, always damage, rarity. Ah. That is right, though, isn't it? Am I crazy? Must not be. Oh, because I didn't. What do I even call it? Is it just called parents? Oh shit! Am I name mangling this? I might be. Parent. I guess, I could always just like, this parent equals parent, but um maybe that's prettier. I guess maybe, well, God, we need to add logging to all of this shit too. Ugh. Does print log? Yes. Okay. Cool. Just gonna close that. I don't even want to look at it. Okay, so this should work now. I think, right? That's the right order. 9. Bro. What do you mean it doesn't work? Why did it compile before but not now? what a fucking time. Okay, so this is still using strings when it should be using F strings. So that fixes this. Now I need to go into the potions and make sure that this is being declared with strings instead of F strings. And then base item as well. I got to make sure that name's not fucking stupid. No. Okay, cool. Okay. 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 So this should work. So this I think base object balls has so this needs to be overridden. Stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm clicking too. Oh, stop. Yes, I know you hate me. Not print. Publid? Oh, bro. Brother. Oh, brother. Let's see if it's still failing or if it was just mad at something else. I think it's still gonna fail. I think it hates me. I don't know why it's not complaining though, but then it fails at compile time. Why won't it use my tasty types? Why does it need all these other things? Why can't I use my juicy types? Oh, it's mixed. Ugh. Like, who the fuck uses tabs? You know, like, what kind of a fucking retard thinks tabs was ever a good idea to use? Like, whoever thought that that would ever be good in any situation is a cunt. An absolute fucking cunt. Always spaces. Nothing but spaces. Ugh. Ugh. God, what a fucking retarded way to live your life. It still hates this. What does this say? So dumb. Come on, Clanker. I just don't understand. So the static assert is failing. It says use things like format via v format, but that seems dumb. Oh. Oh, it's a C++ 20 problem. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's because I have a construct. Okay, well, maybe we can fix it by just removing the string and then just giving it a string. Yeah, this is telling me because I'm using the format, like, because you can pass in an F string with arguments, right, to construct the string. Apparently, I need to create like a formatter specialization for it. So that's what it's telling me. I don't know. No. This is going to give me the same fucking error. I already know it is. I just want to try. I'm getting pretty close to just like if elsing this for the time being and just coming back to it because I really just want to get the. I just want to get the potions to work and the chest to like do anything. I just want to get it working. I don't want to fuck around with this. Like, yeah, this just hates me right now. Okay, look, we're just going to do this the dirtiest, greasiest way possible, which I'm not proud of. No, this is driving me nuts. This has to work. So from my analysis, this is compile error with the static assertion failures with placeholder meanings, meaning the static assert failed for some specific reason. I always hate when they say it failed for a specific reason, but it's just some specific reason, which makes it non-specific. So just say it failed for no reason or for some reason. Yeah, to make T formatable, provide a formatter T specialization. See our format argument store and formatter requirements. Yeah. Yeah. Um yeah. Okay, you know what? Right now, we're just going to ignore this and we're just going to return current health and we're going to come back to this tomorrow because I plan on working on this tomorrow anyways. And I just want to get one thing working today without fighting on some stupid fucking map issue because of some C++20 fucking nonsense. Oh my god, it's so dumb. Oh, it's such a dumb error. So dumb. Bruh. Is it seriously giving me errors for code that's commented out? But like, it's commented out. There's no way you're going to throw me a fucking error for code that's not even in. Like, it's not even being. This isn't even being compiled. How are you going to throw me an error for code that's not even being compiled? You filthy fucking clanker. There's no way. There's no way this is the world I'm living in. Okay. Just cancel this, clean the solution, and build it again. I don't even understand. You're going to tell me I can't compile code that's not even going to. It's going to be skipped by the fucking preprocessor. Oh, bro. Oh, brother. There's no way. There's no way this is the world I live in now. Complaining about semicolons. Oh, Jesus. Titty fucking Christ. Okay. God damn, what a miserable fucking experience. All right, let's keep going here. Okay, so an array of potions, loaded potions, file loader, CSV, load potions, at data, base items, consumables.csv. Did I spell consumables right? My eyes are getting pretty blurry. Yeah. And we'll do for auto loaded in loaded potions, and we will say loaded debug print. Oh my god, please fucking work. Oh fuck, I need to write this function now. Okay. I really wish you could group tabs. Oh man, is there an extension for that? I want to group tabs. Fix mixed tabs. No. Tab colors. Oh, this doesn't look like a virus. You know, this is something that, like, I get why people don't like Visual Studio. I really get it. Like, why are there no extensions? You know, it really. The thing is, it's so powerful, right? I don't even need it for this project. I could do this in fucking Emacs, really. It doesn't even really matter. It's just nice to use Visual Studio sometimes. Give me potions. Where's my headers? Give me potions header. See, God, if you could color these, maybe that would be good. Even just coloring like items different. It would be cool if you could like color classes a little bit too. We're not even going to start talking about this. This is just too far. So what are we doing right now? We're doing name, crit value, damage. Crit damage, crit damage, rare type. So we have the name, and then we have the value. So we're going to do value. And here we're just going to do, this can just be the thing because it should print. Oh, how does it print? How does money print, chat? Do we have a money, like... This is as string. Yeah, that's no good. This has to be to string. Oh, wait, what is that in our types? Types. To string. Maybe this weekend we'll do a to-do stream and I'll fix all my to-dos. Money. Money. Anyways. And then we're doing weight. Then we're doing durability. Then we're doing use and then crit. And with dice, do I have a dereference operator here? I must. Oh, I do. Then this converts it right to a string. Tits. So this returns an F string, and then the F string wants another. Okay, I understand what's happening. Then I have my crit roll. Then we have rarity at the end, I want to say. And then we have rarity at the bottom. No. Crit roll. Always damage. I don't think we print that. So we have crit, rarity. So here we have name, value, weight, durability, use roll, crit roll, rarity, and then we have oh fuck this shit again. Oh, tits. Okay, damage type, we have effect. I think this is all we need to do now, is hopefully we just do this one fucking thing and we finally get one win for the day. So I need damage type. Effect type. Type. Oh, fuck me. Bro. Okay, can you stop being like this? Oh, brother. Um yeah? This one's not happy. Oh, they're all not going to be happy. I missed a bracket. Okay. So why does this hate me? Expected a colon. You bet your ass you did. Holy fucking whale tits. Okay, so this should work. Hmm. Okay. Come on, baby. Bro. Is this what it was fucking complaining about the whole time? What the fuck? I've used this for... Oh my god, did the fucking map work this whole time and I'm just retarded? Am I just retarded? Oh man. This is what happens when you code at work all day and you come home and you try and do something. But this compiled before. What about this am I not understanding? Yeah, because this is still complaining about effect type, but it's giving me line 1073, which is main stat. What is going on? Why is it telling me it's this line? Because this is just a string, which... Like, these would all error before it got to this one, right? It would do all of the ones above it first. Oh, man. What the fuck? Const effect type, but this is main stat. And this returns main stat. Tell me what's wrong. I'm so bewildered right now. Is that what this is saying? The thing that I wish AI did was like when it was, because like it can read all your code here in Visual Studio. I wish it would be like, hey man, this seems like it could be a problem in the first place, and then inform you how to fix it. Right? Like how many, you know, yeah, like what the fuck is this? Like where did these errors come from? Because I never had these errors before. And I'm just getting them now. And one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So this is telling me this is so small. Failed to make T formatable arguments. F money as a string. Do I need to make this like this? Oh my god. We got a fucking potion to print onto the screen. Oh, what a fucking headache. What such dumb, silly little fucking issues. I swear to God. If I uncomment this now. No. No. We're going back. We're going back. Look at that. Oh, the silver didn't work. It's supposed to be one silver. Okay, everything except for the money worked. So let's just go back and see why the money failed. The money is 1S in the spreadsheet. So let's go look at our potion types. And when we give it as a string, oh, I think it's because I am supposed to do G0, S1, C0. I think that was the issue. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Show me one silver. Give me one silver, baby. Come on. Give it to me. Give me the silver. Come on, you dirty slut. Give it to me, you filthy little bitch. Seg fault. Yep, I was wrong. I was wrong. What the fuck am I doing? Why is this wrong? What am I even passing in? Oh, stop. Stop, stop. In value, I'm passing a string. Split on C. And if I open up my weapons, no. Did it delete my weapons? No. Why can't I open them? Hmm. So this is okay. Well, this isn't fucking working. Okay, the money thing is scuffed. I'm going to take like a 15-minute break. I need to stretch my legs. I'll be right back. All right. Well, I just came back, took a little bit of a break there. I think that's what we're going to call it tonight. I think that's pretty good. That's a couple of hours. Got some issues we got to fix tomorrow. We got something done. We can now import the health potions. And then I guess tomorrow, what we're going to do is we're going to work on the chests. And I think we're going to work on the debug print. You know, I think. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Honestly, for me, this is fine. Just this kind of like throwing things out into the terminal like this. This is fine for me as like just a shitty debug print. I think this is totally fine. I know that it's ugly to look at and I know it's terrible and it looks like shit, but it just shows that it works, right? And that's all I really care about for this right now. And then I'll work on like proper printing and stuff later. But this really is just to make sure that like the item loaded properly, kind of thing. Yeah, so maybe I'll ignore the debug. It's more just for me. So yeah, tomorrow we're gonna make some more items and maybe work on like loot tables or something for this generate loot for the chest. And yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think that's the plan for tomorrow is like get the chest working. And then, so I'm just going to put that right here. Just going to put like, make more items, get the chest loot working. This might involve, let me just maybe. One is going to be get chest loot working. This maybe like some like loot tables, make more items. And three, the next thing I want to do is collect items. So this is like move from player, move from chest. Let's just actually do this properly. Inventory uh, to player inventory. Yeah, so I think that's the plan for tomorrow. You know, I'm excited. I feel like with how much stuff has happened so far, all these things, I feel like I'm getting really close to ending like the nuts and bolts part of this. Cause like once, types are more or less working, there's always gonna be something I didn't think about, which is obviously fucking just annoying. Then there's like, once I feel like once I have chests, I need to work on the player character a little bit more for sure. Cause I need a non-player character and a player character. And then once chests are working, once inventory works, once some basic combat works, once I can just like create a creature and just like fight with their weapons back and forth, just like auto attacking each other, and one of them can die and then you can loot it, right? That's a huge step. Once the basic potions work, basic spell crafting and stuff works, then, or not spell crafting, like spell resistances and armor works. That's a huge part of it. And then after that, it's mostly just like building the actual game, right? So yeah, it's good. It could be real good real soon. Just got to get a lot of this like, um, yeah, like I called the playlist nuts and bolts. There's boilerplate stuff going. But I even really think like once you can have a chest and then rooms and stuff, then yeah, then we'll need like a room manager and stuff. Oh, there's so much to get done before the game is going to be playable. But yeah, once we get this chest and loot and stuff working, ah, fuck this. We're going to keep going. Array of potions. I changed my mind already. Hold on. I think I want to. Okay, look, I keep passing this in. I don't want to keep doing this. All right, we're gonna make these default arguments because let's be real. Like, why would I move the location of things like this? Right, the file location for weapons should just be this, right? And the one for potions should just be in my manager. Right, like why would I move it? Why would it be anywhere other than this one location? Right? That makes so much more sense. That's so much prettier. So let's just go back to the chest, to the boobies, and we'll just go here. File loader. Why doesn't it like expected a semicolon? No, it expected an equal sign. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, and then we'll say um yeah. Yeah. What are my other debug prints doing? Just print string? Yeah. And then we're just going to go like for. Hold on. What does this do? Is this even. Yes, I know. Oh, go to the definition to my inventory. Blah, blah, blah. Nothing. Right? It does nothing? Private. Sort. Oh, it's right in the header. Inventory debug print is not. Is print anywhere in here other than those three? Print. Item. Get description as list. Oh, man. Okay. Fuck it. Let's just see if that's seg fault. Fuck it. Let's just try it. Let's come here, manager, and we'll do chest, test chest equals new chest. And then we'll say test chest. Yeah, okay. We don't need to do this. What is it called? Was it like add loot, randomize loot, generate loot? Yes. Do I not have? Chest.h. Chest.h. Must have a class type, but it does not. What does it want? How would it mean chest needs a fucking class type? Must have class type, but it has chest. The fuck? Why would I pass it a null pointer? And then generate loot. What does this want? Int level and rarity. Okay, well. The level should by default be 0. So we're just gonna put that as 0, and the rarity by default will be trash. Oh, oops, my bad. That's cool beans. So now when we generate the loot at the end, we are going to print string f money value. Is that going to work? I think we need to do. But value is money. So do you have to do types to string? And can we pass it money? No, because money has a fucking thing. right? F money as string. So we'll do. Oh, but it's in the inventory. Um, inventory get money as string. That's the other thing. Hold on. We're just going to refactor this real quick because this is going to drive me fucking nuts. Get money. Yeah, money, money. Okay, give me the money. And then in F money, we need to refactor this because it's going to drive me fucking crazy. Oh, surround. Where is it? Two string. Ha 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 ha. Glorious. Glorious. Seg fault for me, baby. Come on, I know you want to. Do it. Give me that juicy, juicy seg fault. Give it to me, baby. Oh my god, it did nothing. Cool beans. So this should be a potion, for one. Yeah, that's true. But no weapons? No money? Okay, potions needs a new constructor. Okay, so I need a new constructor for potions because I don't have a copy constructor. Potions. That needs to take in const potions reference to copy. Create the definition of potions. And is there a way to get the parent from the child class? Like, can I? It's not like this. It'd be in here. No, that's an inventory. No, hey. Durability, to copy. Use roll, to copy. Crit roll. I don't know why I'm doing it like this. To copy. Always damage. To copy. Rarity. To copy. Duration. To copy. Current duration. To copy. Well, there's going to be no owner. But I guess we just do parents. And then here we just say let's back up with potions. And then we just say to copy effect type, and that's the only other thing. Yeah? So, what does this mean? Effect type is uninitialized. Why? Why is it uninitialized? Because you're dumb. That's why. Oh, well. Yeah, that'll do it, won't it? Can't create a weapon out of a potion. Or a potion out of a weapon. Mind you, that might be some cool crafting stuff. Ooh, build succeeded. Let's see if it worked. Son of a bitch. It fucking worked. We have chests. Look at that. Look at that glorious little bastard. Now, the money here is obviously scuffed. So I'll fix this. I'll make a note of that here. Make more items. Fix money constructor from string. Yeah, okay, so regardless, look at this. We loaded in our money, which we set right here, 111. And then we have our dagger, our types here, the whip, which is so expensive. I don't think it's supposed to be that much. How much is a whip supposed to cost? 50 copper. Yeah, so it's super scuffed right now. It's totally fine. It's pretty obviously just duplicating values and whatever. It's fuck it. I don't give a shit. We're gonna fix this tomorrow. And then here we have a healing potion. Oh, glory days. Chests now technically are a thing in the game. We just have to make them be actually a thing that's not just whatever. It is nice to load these in by a default location as well. Okay. It's coming together. So tomorrow, we're going to work on, getting the chest loot working because I want to spawn a chest. I want to have it generate random loot and then get that and put it into my inventory and then just print out my inventory and make sure it works. Loot tables, I think, is a stretch. I think I'm going to ignore that because that's more of a later thing, I feel like. Maybe I'll create like some... Maybe I will create like a couple items in loot tables, you know, like possible weapons and stuff, but even that might be a little weird. That might be a bit more work than I'm anticipating off the top of my head. I feel like it will be. So we'll probably just hard code a couple of options, a couple of random things, just to make sure that it works. And then we can figure out balancing and shit later. I want to make a few more items. I want to make sure those items actually work. The potions work. And then I want to, here, move them from inventory into my inventory. Then print it out. And then I also want to try combat. I want to create an enemy and I just want to auto attack each other. But that's a stretch goal and I'm going to take that off the list. So yeah, this is the plan for this weekend. the next few days. I think it's going to be good. I'm also not convinced about the base. The base character also needs to be split up, but I feel like that's something I'm going to work on later because I know, yeah, I know it's going to be a lot. And I don't know what I'm going to need. And I don't want to get to that thing where it's like, I want to avoid refactoring bigger classes like this. So, I can see a universe where like chests are players because they can have health. Maybe they could be like animated at some point. You know what I mean? Like what are they called? Those like chests that come alive. What are those things called? I don't know, man. I can't remember. Um and maybe there's chests that have like different modifiers. So, you have to they have like spells placed on them, could be like the lore. So like you can't just brute force the chest because it has like a crazy strength modifier, or it's hard to pick the lock because it has like a really high agility modifier, right? Or you can't just like blow it up with some, magic spell because it has like a big wisdom or a big int modifier. So like maybe you can sweet talk it and talk its locks off because it's like an animated chest. I could see a lot of reasons why stats on a chest could make sense. Same with like spell resistance and armor, I feel like all makes sense. Obviously, health, carrying capacity. Well, who cares if it's over encumbered? It's a box. Can't fucking move anyways. Who cares? Whatever. Whatever. And it could like give you experience, right? The level could be a thing. Even the name, you could have named chests. Class, probably not. Yeah, I can definitely see a lot of use cases for chess being base characters. I think I made the right choice. But yeah, so we're gonna keep up on this tomorrow, I think. I don't have like anything to do for work tomorrow, and I'm working from home, so I'll probably just work on this because there's literally nothing for me to get done. So catch ya.